guess I just shut up and drive. I got me a Beamer, I'm running the lap. Zima, who got the keys to my motherfucking Beamer, bitch?
What is going on, you guys? You might be wondering why it looks like my car has been shit on by a hippopotamus. Well, I decided to drift it on the street well before it was ready. This car has no alignment, had no sort of preparation. I'll just let you guys see the footage to speak for it. As you can see, I was getting in some decent slides. It was a little abandoned neighborhood that I found on my way home from work. I couldn't pass it up. The car was running like 3 out of 5 lugs on each wheel. It was a little bit reckless, but it was going great until it wasn't, and I'll show you guys now. So as you can see, that's all it took. I thought my car was going to be able to just go straight over those angled curbs, but nope, it caught in, ripped the wheel clean off. I had to hit up my buddy Eric, shout out to the Shut Up and Drive It crew. Came out with power tools, we got the wheel off, put in some lugs, limped it home. Now we're going to see what kind of damage we really did. Oh, my poor wheels. These were supposed to be my daily driver street wheels. Ugh, I even have a whole drift set in the garage. I curbed the shit out of these. I hate myself. As you can see, 3 out of 5 are snapped off. This wheel was barely holding on. But on the upside, other than all this dirt, I'm not seeing any actual physical damage. We might be good. Okay, now here comes the DIY. Harbor Freight $9 screw extractor set. Can it rescue my wheel? First step, all you gotta do is drill out a center punch in this. Just put a hole straight down the middle of that broken lug, and that'll give us enough to grip onto with the bolt extractor. Now spray in a little bit of PB Blast to loosen up the bolt. Then we get an adjustable wrench, get it on the end of that bolt extractor, and see if we can wiggle this lug back out of there. Now the first 2 bolts came out super easy, but it took a full day of soaking these to actually get the last one out of there. So you might have to hit it with a full day of PB Blaster, you might have to hit it with some heat, but I finally got all 5 back out of there. And now we got the new lug bolts to toss in. These are a little bit deeper. This is what I should have been running with the current offset on my wheels, but the actual camber on the back looks a little bit kicked out now. We're gonna take it for a test drive. Let's see how it goes. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Let's see how it goes. Hey, this thing actually tracks straighter than my Genesis. This is crazy. It is still good to go. I'm still gonna get this thing professionally aligned before we get it on the track. Damn, I can't believe how good this thing still is after all that. Let's go. Honestly, I can't believe also, side note, this is a 20-plus-year-old car with no check engine lights. Look at that dash. Alright, let's finish it out. Okay, I'd say that's a successful temporary repair. I commute over an hour each day. This survived all the way to my office. It's good to go. Thank you guys for watching this whole video. We're gonna get this thing repaired the whole way. We're gonna get it on track, but I can't believe that it has survived. This thing is a trooper. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, subscribe. Comment, tell me what a fucking idiot I am for trying to drift a car with 3 out of 5 lug nuts. That is just stupid. Do not follow in my path, but we'll see you in the next one, guys. We'll catch you then.